There is a clear settlement before we discuss the likelihood of Ripple and NXT settling. Ripple recently filed a motion in response to the SEC government's anticipated interlocutory appeal, which included the following points. To begin, Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson will file an appeal. Assert that the court's order raises no significant legal problems. The SEC has failed to provide a compelling reason for its disagreement. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, check out this new video right now. Hello and welcome to our channel, where we discuss the newest XRP news and the cryptocurrency world in general. If you're watching one of our videos for the first time, we'd like to extend a warm welcome. We encourage you to activate the notification bell so you never miss any video. We are pleased to announce that this channel is hosting a 200 XRP giveaway. To be eligible to participate, simply subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment with the hashtag XRP, and the winner will be announced on August 31st. An urgent appeal to fully understand the foundation for the action would not speed up its resolution. The agreement from this year is essential. To begin, review the whole Ripple SEC complaint, as well as, most significantly, the recent event that prompted the SEC to file an appeal. This appeal was initially filed on August 9, 2023, not long after Gary Gensler stated that they were unsure whether they intended to appeal their winning litigation or whether the SEC formally elected to file an appeal later. After a few days, but this isn't your average appeal. It's an introductory pitch. Petitioned the court, demanding that Elisa Torres' judgment be overturned because XRP is considered valuable. As a fellow security guard, keep in mind that what they did here was not a strategy that the majority of businesses would employ. Instead of filing an appeal, they gave up. Torres, the judge, filed a motion claiming that they intend to appeal the case to scare her into ruling with them. As a result, they have an advantage. The court will never, ever be allowed to dismiss an appeal, or the relevance of a hypothetical appeal to this specific case, but it does demonstrate the burden on her judge, Torres, and any future judges who would confront a similar SC litigation. Gary Gensler confirmed this information before the appeal, noting that while he still believes in the security of XRP, he is disappointed with Judge Elisa Torres' decision. Let's begin with the video. The goal is the same as it was with Safeguard. Investors, capital development, and market stability are all encouraged. Only a few days ago, a choice was made. In connection with this, that decision energized us, and we recognized how important it was to safeguard institutional investors. Furthermore, despite its remarks about ordinary investors, the court's fair notice movement disappointed us. We are researching and analyzing them right now. From their point of view, our goal remains the same as I previously indicated. Ripple has chosen to file a motion to oppose the Secretary of State's interlocutory appeal on XRP with a new deadline of August 16. We then discussed it further. Before returning to the idea that even if the SEC did appeal, it would not make much of a difference now, Ripple went ahead and showed you all the official paperwork, while also mentioning on Twitter that Ripple has submitted a move to postpone this SC's stopping the appeal on XRP. Furthermore, SD versus Trilabs Incorporated and Torres Deirdre versus Ripple Labs Incorporated are unmistakable. Kristen Larson and Bradley Garlinghouse, individual and collective defendants, projected the AC's anticipated application for leave on the file of an initial appeal on July 13, 2023, a decision that also, the defendants were given summary judgment. In Orders 8, 7, and 4, Aldaro, a merchant of Ripple clones, tweeted that the company opposes the SEC's request for an interlocutory appeal. There are no exceptional circumstances. In this case, a variation from the rule requiring that all conflicts between all parties be settled before filing an appeal would be permissible. John House, Ripple's CEO, tweeted about it, adding that whether or not the appeal is allowed does not affect the fact that XRP is or is not a security. During a trial, it will not be argued. Even though the ruling indicates that XRP is not a security, the street believes that Kristen and Brad Garlinghouse acted negligently by believing it is. That is absurd, he adds. That the judge's July 13 rulings claimed that the SC will be required to submit evidence at trial in support of their charges against Chris, and I am glad to demonstrate once again that this is wrong in terms of both the law and common sense. In reality, there is some important information that no one else has. This is because I only met with the full Ripple and XRP team yesterday and was able to acquire some very critical information from them. Ripple has consistently said that their market is outside of the US, regardless of what occurs, because they have a sizable customer base outside of the US. They have also stated that they are fine with changing nations in the United States, in addition to shifting their headquarters. Furthermore, as proved and emphasized in the film, they do not rely only on the United States of America. I'd want to show you how to test the Ripples, which claims that XRP will replace Bitcoin with 10 times its market value. $1,000 is unrelated to money. Let's get the video started straight now, where no regulatory ambiguity exists. Ripple has partnered with regulated firms such as banks, and regulators may have noticed that XRP's success is due in part to individuals appreciating the value of holding for a second. Let me return to your original question. Is XRP the next Bitcoin to make a comeback? To answer your original question, yes, XRP is the currency of the future. With Bitcoin, there is a lot of opportunity for XRP to gain value if we work with the system to address and fix this issue at scale. A multi-trillion-dollar problem. Surprisingly, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse publicly said that XRP has the potential to outperform Bitcoin. I was reminded of an article published previously by Forbes, the most renowned news source for cryptocurrency and finance, claiming that XRP is the new Bitcoin and that, after extensive research, it will eventually reach a price of $5,947, with others dismissing this as unfounded. Hearsay. Of course, this was removed. However, shortly after it was uploaded, I was able to confirm using artificial intelligence, a technology, that this did happen and that the item was only online for a brief time. But until it was removed by Ford's staff, and I also want to underline that the SEC will address litigation claim resolution. The topics in this matter that will not be visible to us because it is a closed meeting, because both sides do not want to pursue this litigation any further, are the institution's settlement of injunctive actions and settlement of administrative proceedings, the resolution of litigation claims, and other matters related to the examination and enforcement proceedings. It is also very good for Ripple since it indicates that there will be a resolution and settlement. Okay, folks, this is between these two parties. That being said, I hope you enjoy it. I give this video 2 thumbs up. After subscribing to the channel and setting post alerts, you can share this video with 2 friends or family members. I sincerely thank everyone who watched, and I hope to see you all again in the next video.